How to convert normal video to green screen video. So if you want to convert normal video to a green screen video, then first you need to open up your CapCut application, go with a new project, and then select the video in which you would like to convert the video to a green screen video. So once you've selected, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the bottom and then swipe right, and here you will have an option of remove BG, which is remove background. So simply tap on remove background. Once you tap on remove background, here you will have auto removal option, custom removal, or chroma key. So you just need to simply go with the auto removal option, but if you're not using the pro version, then simply go with custom removal, and you need to customly remove the background. So for example, I'll be doing it. You can also choose the option of auto removal, which will be easy for you, and then tap on the tick, which is here on the bottom right. Now once you remove the background, go with the tick option, which is here on the bottom right, and what you need to do is you just need to simply go back, and then here on the bottom you will have an option of background. So you just need to simply go with background, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on the background, and under background here you need to go with color, and you need to choose a color. So I'll be choosing a green color, and that's it. That's how you can convert your normal video to a green screen video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.